The living world. Question 1. Choose the correct statement. And the options are: Option 1. Growth is exclusive feature of living organisms. Option 2. Non-living organisms do not show growth. Option 3. Living beings show growth due to deposition of material on their surface. Option 4. Growth is internal in living organisms. Living organisms show growth, reproduction, metabolism, sensing the surroundings, interactions, and excretion, etc. So the answer is option 4. Growth is internal in living organisms. Question 2. Reproduction itself is growth in Chlamydomonas, bacteria, amoeba, or Magnifera. And the options are Chlamydomonas, bacteria, and Magnifera. Option 2. All except Magnifera. Option 3. Chlamydomonas and bacteria. Option 4. Only bacteria. In unicellular organisms like bacteria, Chlamydomonas like algae, animals like amoeba, reproduction is synonymous to growth. In them, there is increase in number of cells. So, the answer is option 2, all except 4. That means reproduction itself is growth in Chlamydomonas, bacteria, and amoeba. Question 3. Choose the wrong statement. Option 1. Animals show growth only up to certain age. Option 2. Plants show growth as long as they live. Option 3. In animals, the lost cells are not replaced. Option 4. Increase in size of cell is also growth. Growth is defined as increase in number and mass of individuals. Unicellular organisms grow before they divide. Increase in number of cells in unicellular forms is both growth and reproduction, which can be noticed by counting the number of cells under microscope, as in case of bacteria. Multicellular organisms grow by cell division. Plant growth is continuous as long as it lives. Animals show growth only up to certain age, but cell division occurs to replace the lost cells. So the answer is option 3. In animals, the lost cells are not replaced. This is the wrong statement. Question 4. Reproduction is absent in option 1. Chlorella, option 2. Amoeba, option 3. Worker bees, option 4. Bacteria. Worker bees, mules, and infertile humans are incapable to reproduce. So, the answer is option 3, worker bees. Reproduction is absent in worker bees. Question 5. Filamentous algae and fungi vegetatively reproduce by option 1, fragmentation, option 2, budding, option 3, conidia, and option 4, all. Vegetative reproduction is production of new individuals without the formation of seeds and spores. In this, parental cell becomes a part of daughter cell. It is common among plants. It takes place by fragmentation in filamentous algae and fungi, hydrophytes like hydrilla, and photonema of mosses. Fragmentation is breakage of vegetative structure into small segments and development of each segment as complete organism upon repeated division. So, the answer is fragmentation. Filamentous algae and fungi vegetatively reproduce by fragmentation. Question 6. Hydra vegetatively reproduce by option 1, fragmentation, option 2, budding, Option 3, zoospores. Option 4, aplanospores. Vegetative reproduction occurs as budding in lower animals like hydra and fungi like yeasts. Budding is pinching off of smaller individuals from the parental individuals. So the answer is option 2, budding. Hydra vegetatively reproduces by budding. Question 7. Tissue culture is a type of option 1, parthenogenesis. Option 2, vegetative reproduction. Option 3, sexual reproduction. Option 4, asexual reproduction. Grafting, cutting, vegetative apomorphosis, layering, division, and tissue culture are other types of vegetative reproductions. So the answer is option 2, vegetative reproduction. Tissue culture is a type of vegetative reproduction. Question 8. Match the following. In list 1, we have 4 options such as reproduction in bacteria, reproduction in yeasts, reproduction in algae like Chlamydomonas, and reproduction in the structure Protonema. And list 2 have options such as spores, fragmentation, cell division, budding, grafting. Let us see them in detail. Increase in number of cells in unicellular forms both growth and reproduction, which can be noticed by counting the number of cells under microscope as in case of bacteria. Vegetative reproduction occurs as budding in lower animals like hydra and fungi like yeasts. Fungi and most of the algae reproduce by spore formation. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation in filamentous algae and fungi, hydrophytes like Hydrilla, and Photonema of Mars. So the answer is option 3. Reproduction of bacteria is through cell division. Reproduction of yeasts is through budding. Reproduction in algae like Chlamydomonas is through spores. Reproduction in the structure Protonema is connected with fragmentation. Question number 9. Assertion. Vegetative reproduction is more common in plants than animals. And the reason is amoeba reproduces by cell division. Option 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option 2. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option 3. A is true but R is false. Option 4. A is false but R is true. Vegetative reproduction is production of new individuals without the formation of seeds and spores. In this, parental cell becomes a part of daughter cells. It is common among plants. In unicellular organisms like bacteria, Chlamydomonas like algae, and animals like amoeba, reproduction is synonymous to growth. In them, there is increase in number of cells. So the answer is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question 10. Only one parent is involved in the following reproduction. Option 1. Vegetative propagation. Option 2. Asexual reproduction. Option 3. Sexual reproduction. Option 4. 1 and 2. Asexual reproduction is production of new individuals from a single parent, usually spore formation. Vegetative propagation also involves single parent. So the answer is option 4, 1 and 2. That means only one parent is involved in the following reproductions. They are vegetative propagation and asexual reproduction. Question 11. In metabolism, option 1. Larger molecules are formed from smaller molecules. Option 2. Smaller molecules are formed from larger molecules. Option 3. one biomolecule is converted into another biomolecule. Option 4. Cell organelles are not involved. The main options are 1, 2, 3 are incorrect. Option 2, 2, 3, 4 are correct. Option 3, 1 and 2 are wrong. Option 4, only 4 is wrong. Metabolism is sum of biochemical reactions occurring in an organism or living cell. During this, chemicals of various sizes, shapes, composition are formed and converted to other biomolecules. So the answer is option 4. Only 4 is wrong. So in metabolism, larger molecules are formed from smaller molecules. Smaller molecules are formed from larger molecules. And one biomolecule is converted into another biomolecule. Question 12. Metabolism is not shown by option 1 bacteria, option 2 algae, option 3 mycoplasmas, option 4 viruses. All living organisms show metabolism except viruses. So the answer is option 4 viruses. Question 13. Light influences reproduction in option 1 flowering plants, option 2 animals, option 3 bryophytes, option 4 all. Light influences reproduction in seasonal plant and animal breeders. And the answer is all. Light influences reproduction in flowering plants, animals, and bryophytes. Question 14. Assertion is plants are self-conscious. And the reason is plants exhibit awareness to surroundings. Let us see the link between assertion and reason. Consciousness is awareness of organisms to surroundings. Humans are self-conscious. Plants respond to factors like light, temperature, water, pollutants, and other organisms. So the answer is option 4, A is false, but R is true. Question 15. The properties of cell is due to interactions between option 1 cell, option 2 tissues, option 3 cell organelles of cell, option 4 fatty acids of lipids. Properties of cell are due to interactions between its cell organelles. Similarly, the cell organelle properties are due to interactions between its biomolecules. So the answer is option 3 cell organelles of cell. The properties of cells is due to interactions between cell organelles of cells. Question 16. The genetic material in organisms from bacteria to man is option 1 protein, option 2 enzyme, option 3 RNA, option 4 DNA. All living organisms are linked to each other by sharing DNA as common type of genetic material. So the answer is option 4 DNA. The genetic material in organisms from bacteria to man is DNA. Question 17. The number of species of living organisms on this planet is option 1 17 million, option 2 18 million, option 3 1.9 billion, option 4 1.78 million. Our planet has about 1.7 to 1.8 millions of species of living organisms. And the answer is option 4 1.78 million. The number of species of living organisms on this planet is 1.78 millions. Question 18. Match the following. And the list one have options such as herbarium, flora, systema naturae, and taxon. List 2 have options such as species, linnaeus, keys, dried plant specimen, dried animal specimen. Herbarium is the storehouse of pressed dried plant specimens mounted on a sheet for preservation. Flora is a book contains information about habitat and distribution of plants of any area. It has indexes of plant of an area. Plants are identified with the help of herbarium specimens and keys provided in the flora. Linnaeus wrote a book entitled Systema Naturae. Species is a group of organisms with fundamental similarities and can interbreed freely. Each category or rank is a unit of classification and called as taxon. So, the answer is option 1. Herbarium is linked with dried plant specimen. Flora needs to be matched with keys. Systema naturae needs to be matched with Linnaeus. Taxon needs to be matched with species. Question 19. Density of biodiversity is more in option 1. Tropical forests. Option 2. Temperate forests. Option 3. Grasslands. Option 4. Croplands. Biodiversity is defined as number and type of organisms present on the earth. Biodiversity varies from region to region and climate to climate. With increase in area, biodiversity also increases. Forests have more biodiversity than any other region. So the answer is option 1, tropical forests. Density of biodiversity is more in tropical forests. Question 20. Identification of plant is usually done with the help of option 1 museum, option 2 flora, option 3 herbaria, option 4 2 and 3. Plants are identified with the help of herbarium specimens and keys provided in the flora. So the answer is option 4, 2 and 3. That means identification of plant is usually done with the help of flora and herbaria. Question 21. ICBN is option 1 International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, option 2 International Class of Botanical Nomenclature, option 3 International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, option 4 International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Nomenclature of plants must be done according to the rules provided in International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Here ICBN means option 4 International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Question 22. Choose the correct statement. Option 1. A plant can be given more than one scientific names. Option 2. Plant names can be given in any language. Option 3. Plant names must be given in English. Option 4. Plant binomial in italics represents its Latin origin. According to ICBN, each plant should have only one scientific name. It should be given in Latin or Latinized form of other language. While writing, the two words of binomial must be underlined separately or printed in italics. Underlining or printing in italics indicates its Latin origin. And the answer is option 4. Plant binomial in italics represent its Latin origin. Question 23. This is not a part of taxonomic hierarchy. Option 1 species, option 2 genus, option 3 order, option 4 lead. Taxonomic categories involves species, genus, family, order, division, and kingdom. And the answer is option 4, lead. This is not a part of taxonomic hierarchy. Question 24. Lowest taxonomic category is option 1, species, option 2, genus, option 3, family, option 4, order. So, the various common categories are kingdom, division or phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Kingdom is the highest category and species is the lowest category. So the answer is option 1, species. Lowest taxonomic category is species. Question 25. Choose the correct statement. Option 1. Species name of one genus should not be mentioned in some other genus. Option 2. A species name given to plant in the genus should not be given to some other plant in the same genus. Option 3. Generic name of a family can be given to generic names of some other family of the same kingdom. Option 4. A family can compose of more number of genera than its species. There should not be two different plant species with similar names. And the answer is option 2. A species name given to plant in the genus should not be given to some other plant in the same genus. Question 26. Match the following. In list 1, there are 4 options such as potato, tobacco, mango, and wheat. In list 2, options are triticum, magnifera, datura, solanum, and nicotiana. The scientific name of potato is Solanum tuberosum. The scientific name of tobacco is Nicotiana tabacum. The scientific name of mango is Magnifera indica. And the scientific name of wheat is Triticum vulgare. And the answer is option 4. 27. Assertion is individuals of a genus show more similarities than differences. And the reason is mango and potato show more similarities than potato and nicotiana. Let us see the relation between assertion and reason, how they are linked. Genus is a group of related species. A genus has either one or more than one species. Species of a genus have several similarities and few differences among them. Example, brinjal and potato belonging to different species of the same genus. So, the answer is option 3. A is true, but R is false. 28. Convolvulaceae belongs to the order option 1. Polemoniales, option 2. Poales, option 3. Malvales, option 4. Rosales. Order Polemoniales have families like Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae. And the answer is option 1. Polemoniales. Question 29. Magnifera belongs to the family option 1. Solanaceae, option 2. Polemoniaceae, option 3. Anacardiaceae, option 4. Malvaceae. Magnifera indica mango plant belongs to Anacardiaceae family. So the answer is option 3. Anacardiaceae. Question 30. Malvales belongs to the class option 1. Dicotyledone, option 2. Monocotyledone, option 3. Gymnospermae, option 4. Coniferae. Polemoniales, Malvales, and Rosales are orders of class Dicotyledone. And the answer is option 1, Dicotyledone. Question 31. Diptera is the order to which the following organism belongs to. Option 1, Homo sapiens. Option 2, Musca domestica. Option 3, Magnifera indica. Option 4, Triticum vulgare. Musca domestica belongs to order Diptera. So the answer is option 2, Musca domestica. Question 32. It has a collection of preserved plant specimens. And the options are 1, herbarium, 2, botanical garden, 3, museum, 4, manual. And the main options are herbarium only, option 2, herbarium and botanical gardens, option 3, herbarium and museum, option 4, museum and manual. Herbarium is the storehouse of pressed, dried plant specimens mounted on a sheet for preservation. Dried specimens of plant and animals are also maintained in museum. So the correct answer is option 3, herbarium and museum. Question 33. Each statement in a couplet is called as option 1, rammet, option 2, comet, option 3, lead, option 4, deed. Each statement in couplet is called as lead, and the answer is option 3, lead. 34. Choose the correct statement. Option 1. In a flora, only one key is provided for all the plants of an area. Option 2. A key is based on both similarities and differences among the individuals of a species. Option 3. A key is based on both similarities and differences among the individuals of a genus. Option 4. Keys are provided in herbaria. Keys are used for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and differences. So the answer is option 3. Question 35. Match the following. List 1 has the options such as distribution of plants of a given area, identification of names of species of an area, information about only one taxon, uses of preservatives. List 2 have options such as museum, herbaria, flora, manuals, and monograms. Recording descriptions for identification of organisms are also given in another means such as flora, manuals, monographs, and catalogues. Flora is a book containing information about habitat and distribution of plants of an area. It has index of plants of an area. Manuals provide information about identification of names of species found in an area. Monographs have information about only one taxon. Museum is a collection of preserved plant and animal species for study and reference. This is maintained in schools and colleges. Specimens are preserved in containers with preservative solutions like formaldehyde, alcohol, acetic acid in different proportions. Dry specimens of plant and animals are also maintained in museum. So the answer is option 1. Option 1. Distribution of plants of a given area is matched with flora. Identification of names of species of an area should be matched with manuals. Information about only one taxon should be matched with monographs, and usage of preservatives should be matched with museums. Question 36. Assertion. Royal Botanical Garden is International Center for Plant Identification. And the reason is it has largest collection of living plant specimens. Let us see how these assertion and reasons are linked with. Botanical garden is a place with a collection of living plant specimens for reference. Plants are grown in these gardens for identification. Each plant is tagged with label carrying information about its scientific name and family name. The famous botanical gardens are Royal Botanical Gardens at Kew. England has the largest herbarium and it is International Centre for Plant Identification. So the answer is option 2. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question 37. The smallest taxon with relatively more differences than similarities among the individuals. Option 1. Species. Option 2. Genus. Option 3. Class. Option 4. Order. Order is a group of related families which have relatively less similarities among them compared to genera of a family. So the answer is option 4, order. Question 38. The largest taxon with more similarities than differences is option 1, family, option 2, order, option 3, species, option 4, genus. Family is a group of related genera with relatively more differences than similarities when compared to species and genus. Question 39. Sapindalis is order of option 1 housefly, option 2 man, option 3 mango, option 4 wheat. Sapindales is the order of mango plant which is Magnifera indica. So the answer is option 3 mango. Question 40. Phylum of animal classification is equivalent to the following of plant classification. Option 1 class, option 2 division, option 3 order and option 4 family. Division is a group of related classes. In case of animals, the related classes are included in phylum. So the answer is option 2 division. Question 41. A group of different cells is studied in option 1 histology, option 2 anatomy, option 3 cytology, option 4 cell biology. In internal morphology, the internal structure of various plant organs is studied. It has two sub-branches such as histology and anatomy. Histology is study of tissues of plant. Anatomy is study of gross internal structure of various organs of plant such as root, stem, etc. So the answer is option A, histology. Question 42. Cytology deals with the study of options are cell organelles, cell functions, or cell multiplication. And the main options are cell organelles only, option B, cell organelles and cell multiplication only, option C, cell organelles and cell functions only, option D, all these three. Cytology is study of structure of cell and cell organelles and their functions. So the answer is option D, all the three. Question 43. Match the following. List 1 have options such as lichenology, phycology, mycology, bryology. List 2 have options such as amphibians of plant kingdom, heterotrophic thallophytes, autotrophic thallophytes, symbiotic thallophytes, vascular cryptogams. Lichenology is study of lichens or organisms formed by symbiotic association of algae and fungi. Bryology is study of bryophytes or amphibians of plant kingdom. Phycology is study of chlorophyllous autotrophic thallophytes. Mycology is the study of acrophilous heterotrophic thallophytes. So the answer is option C. Question 44. Assertion is mutations are studied in genetics, and the reason is all changes noticed in an organism are inheritable. Identify how these assertion and reason are linked with. Genetics is study of structure, synthesis, role in inheritance and mutations of genes. Some of the changes are heritable but not all. So the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. Question 45. Absorption of minerals is studied in option A. Cytology, option B. Physiology, option C. Ecology, option D. Phytogeography. Plant physiology is the study of various vital activities of plants like absorption of mineral water, photosynthesis, respiration, nitrogen metabolism, growth, etc. So the answer is option B, physiology. Absorption of minerals is studied in physiology. Question 46. The branch of biology that has evolved by using the principles of physics and chemistry is option A, genetics, option B, palynology, option C, molecular biology, and option D, all. Due to application of chemistry and physics for the study of living organisms, new branches such as biophysics, biochemistry, and molecular biology have evolved. So the answer is option C, molecular biology. 47. Match the following. List 1 have options such as formation of gametes, structure of microspores, vascular cryptogams, relationship between plants and environment. List 2 have options such as plant ecology, paleobotany, embryology, pteridology, palynology. Embryology is the study of development of male and female gametophytes, formation of gametes, fertilization process, and development of embryo, endosperm, and seed. Palynology is the study of structure and development of pollen grains. Pteridology is the study of pteridophytes or vascular cryptogams. Plant ecology is the study of plants in relation to environment. So the answer is option B. Formation of gametes is linked with embryology. Structure of microspores is linked with palynology. Vascular cryptogams should be linked with pteridology. Relationship between plants and environment is linked with plant ecology. Question 48. Assertion. Morphology is useful in classification of plants. Reason. Taxonomy mainly uses the characters of various organs of the plant for assigning them to various groups. Identify the relation between assertion and reason. Morphology is study and description of various parts of plants. It is fundamental requirement for plant taxonomy. It is external and internal morphology. Classification of organisms into different taxa is called as taxonomy. The components of taxonomy are characterization, identification, classification, and nomenclature. So the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question 49. The following branch of botany is more useful in understanding the course of evolution of plants. Option A, palynology. Option B, embryology. Option C, physiology. Option D, paleobotany. Paleobotany is study of fossilized plants. It helps in understanding evolution. So the answer is option D, paleobotany. Question 50. Plants with undifferentiated body are studied in Option A, phycology. Option B, mycology. Option C, lichenology. Option D, all. Phycology is study of chlorophyllous autotrophic thallophytes. Mycology is the study of achlorophyllous heterotrophic thallophytes. Lichenology is study of lichens or organisms formed by symbiotic association of algae and fungi. So the answer is option D, all. Question 51. Match the following. List 1. List 1 have options such as petrol plant, medicinal plant, biofertilizer, and single cell protein. List 2 have options such as Anabena, Spirulina, Pongamia, Digitalis, Penicillium. Of recent, biodiesel is produced from plants like Jatropha and Pongamia. Medicinal plants like Arnica, Cinchona, Neem, Datura, Digitalis, Rauwolfia, Withania, Acamum, Belladonna, aloe vera are exploited for human healthcare. By thorough study of plants, it has become possible to produce antibiotics like penicillin, bioinsecticides, and single-cell proteins like spirulina and chlorella. Uses of biofertilizers like Azolla, Nostoc, Anabena, and Rhizobium minimize the soil pollution, preventing soil erosion by growing soil binders. So the answer is option A. Petrol plant should be linked with Pongamia. Medicinal plant should be matched with Digitalis. Biofertilizer should be matched with Anabena. And single cell protein should be matched with Spirulina. Question 52. Assertion. Plant physiology helped for the development of agriculture. Reason. Knowledge obtained in mineral nutrition studies helped to devise methods to break dormancy in plants. Identify the relation between assertion and reason. Plant physiology is the study of various vital activities of plants like absorption of mineral water, photosynthesis, respiration, nitrogen metabolism, growth, etc. The knowledge gained about photohormones is used to control weeds, breaking seed dormancy, enhancing shelf life of leafy vegetables like spinach, artificial ripening of fruits like banana, apple, and watermelon, and vegetative propagation of plants through stem cuttings. So the answer is option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Question 53. The term botany is obtained from option 1. Latin word boscine. Option 2. Greek word botan. Option 3. Roman word botan. And option 4. Greek word boscine. The term botany is obtained from the Greek word boskon, which means cattle field. So the answer is option 4, Greek word boskin. Question 54. The first book on agriculture is option 1, Atharvana Veda, option 2, Krishi Parasaram, option 3, Vrikshayurveda, option 4, De Historia Plantarum. In 1300 BC, Parasara wrote two books entitled Krishi Parasaram and Vrikshayurveda. Krishi Parasaram has information about art of agriculture and weeds. Vrikshayurveda has information about medicinal plants and their uses, 14 different types of forests, and external and internal characters of plants. Question 55. Herbals were written mainly in the following century. Option 1, 19th century. Option 2, 18th century. Option 3, 17th century. Option 4, 15th century. 16th and 17th centuries are the Renaissance period of botany. It is the period of herbalists who wrote the books entitled helpers. So the answer is option 3, 17th century. Question 56. Father of botany is option 1, Parasara, option 2, Aristotle, option 3, Socrates, option 4, Theophrastus. Theophrastus is regarded as father of botany. He wrote a book entitled De Historia Plantarum, which has information about 500 different plants. Question 57. Sexual system of classification was proposed by option 1, Linnaeus, option 2, Parasara, option 3, Bahin, option 4, Theophrastus. Carolus von Linnaeus popularized binomial nomenclature and proposed sexual system of classification. So the answer is option 1, Linnaeus. Question 58. One of the following carried out experiments on Pisum sativum. Option 1, Bahin. Option 2, Stephen Hales. Option 3, Mendel. Option 4, Grue. Gregor John Mendel carried out hybridization experiments in pea plant and proposed laws of inheritance. He is regarded as father of genetics. And the answer is option 3, Mendel. Question 59. Camerarius described option 1, sexual reproduction in bacteria, option 2, sexual reproduction in plants, option 3, asexual reproduction in plants, option 4, sexual reproduction in animals. Sexual reproduction in plants was discovered by Camerarius. And the answer is option 2. Question 60. Match the following. List 1 has options such as petrol plant, medicinal plant, SCP, and biofertilizer. List 2 have options such as spirulina, pongamia, rhizobium, digitalis, and penicillium. Biodiesel is produced from plants like Jatropha and Pongamia. Medicinal plants like Arnica, Cinchona, Neem, Datura, digitalis, aloe vera are exploited for human healthcare. By thorough study of plants, it has become possible to produce antibiotics like penicillin, bioinsecticides, and single-cell protein, which is SCP, like spirulina and chlorella. Usage of biofertilizers like azolla, Nostik, Anabena, and Rhizobium minimize soil pollution, preventing soil erosion by growing soil binders. So the answer is option 2. Question 61. Assertion. Wodehouse was a palynologist. Reason. He studied about microspores of spermatophytes. Identify the relation between assertion and reason. Wodehouse, P.K.K. Nair, C.G.K. Ramanujam developed the science of pollen grains known as palynology. So the answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question 62. This is used as food for astronauts. Option 1, Jatropha. Option 2, Chlorella. Option 3, Arnica. Option 4, Acimum. Algae like chlorella are used as food in space travels. Iodine and agar-agar are obtained from seaweeds. So the answer is option 2, chlorella. Question 63. Micropropagation is option 1, production of bacteria. Option 2, culturing microbes. Option 3, Raising plants in large numbers on nutrient media under controlled condition by growing their tissue. Option 4. Culturing bacteria in microenvironment. Micropropagation is the practice of rapidly multiplying stock plant material to produce many progeny plants using modern plant tissue culture methods. Micropropagation is used to multiply plants such as those that have been genetically modified or bred through conventional plant breeding methods. So the answer is option 3. Raising plants in large numbers on nutrient media under controlled condition by growing their tissue is called as micropropagation. Question 64. Gene was artificially synthesized by option 1. Khorana, option 2. Nirenberg, option 3. Holle, option 4. Crick. Khorana artificially synthesized gene. So the answer is option 1. Khorana. Question 65. Assertion. Sumner contributed for the development of plant physiology. Reason. He crystallized the enzyme urease. Identify the relation between assertion and reason. Sumner crystallized the enzyme urease. And the answer is option 1. Both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation of assertion. Question time. Here are 3 more questions for you to answer in the comments. Question 1. Reproduction is absent in chlorella or amoeba or worker bees or bacteria. Question 2. Filamentous algae and fungi vegetatively reproduce by option 1. Fragmentation, option 2. Budding, option 3. Conidia, and option 4. All. Question 3. Hydra vegetatively reproduce by option 1. Fragmentation, option 2. Budding, option 3. Zoospores, and option 4. Aplanospores. Write down your answers in the comment section given below.